Hello everybody, welcome to the electrical power system. Today I want to show you how to compare between induction motor and synchronous motor. So in the left, as you see in the picture, this is the induction motor, and in the right hand this is synchronous motor. All of them have a stator and the rotor, but the difference only is in the supply. So the synchronous motor have DC supply in the rotor. So in the AC system there are two types of motor. One of them is the synchronous motor, and number two is the induction motor, which is known as the asynchronous motor. So number one, synchronous motor is one of AC motor in which it is a steady state rotation. Shaft is in the synchronous with the frequency of applied current. So, and the speed of synchronous motor is depend on the frequency of supply current. So, this synchronous motor is rotating in the synchronous speed. So N synchronous or NS is equal 120 multiplied by F divided by P, where NS is the synchronous speed and F is the frequency of AC current in Hertz and P is the number of pole. So if we want to control this synchronous motor, we will control by the controlling the supply frequency. If we added the frequency, this synchronous will increase, and if we decrease in this frequency, the asynchronous will decreasing. Okay. So as you see in this picture, we have stator. This is stator which covers the rotor. So it has a slot which we put our coil inside. So here in this side we have three-phase AC supply R1Y or red, yellow, blue, and in the rotor we have a DC supply which we use it to begin the rotation or to do the excitation for begin the rotation. So this is a synchronous motor, and number two is the induction motor. Induction motor is a type of AC motor, and it is also known as a synchronous motor. Okay, the difference only when the stator is fed with a single or three-phase AC supply, the rotating magnetic field will produce in the stator, and according to the Lenz's law, this RMF cut the air gap between rotor and stator, and it will produce the electromotive force in the rotor. So the rotor at that time is beginning to rotate. Okay, now we are going to see the comparing between these two motors. So that type of comparing, and this is the induction motor and this is synchronous motor. In the excitation, induction motor is a single excitation, and synchronous motor is a double excitation machine. In the supply system, induction motor is work in one supply source, and synchronous motor is work by two supply source, DC source and AC source. in speed. Always induction motor is its speed is less than synchronous speed, and a synchronous motor is always run at synchronous speed. So in the starting, induction motor is self-starting and synchronous motor is not self-starting. In operation, the induction motor is operated at the lagging power factor, but the synchronous motor is operating with the leading and lagging power factor. So I think in cost, induction motor is cheaper and synchronous is more expensive. So in uses, it is used in the different application, and also the synchronous motor, it can be used for a power factor correction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys.